Hello friends, how are you all doing? So in this video we will start with question number 3, first part. We have to solve this quadratic equation and we have to get the answer correct to 2 decimal places. As you can see, this quadratic equation cannot be solved by factorization method. So we have to use the formula method. So this is already in the standard form. So comparing this equation with what equation we are going to compare it with? This ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let us see what are the values. A is how much? 2 minus 10, b and c is 5. The formula is as follows. Now let us start substituting the values. This is 10 square minus 4 into 2 into 5 divided by 4. So on simplification of the term inside the square root, we'll get 100 minus 40 divided by 4. So we get 10 plus or minus root of 60 divided by 4. So as we discussed in the previous video, at this stage we have to take a slightly different approach. Since we have to find the answer correct to 2 decimal places, we should find the actual value of this square root. So quickly let us see the square root table. What is it? Root 60. So let us quickly find out the value of root 60. So root 60 under column 0 we have to see. So as you can see, it's 7.746. So that is the value. 7.746 divided by 4. So there are two values which are possible. Let us write them down. So you'll get 17.746 divided by 4, or now this 10 minus this will give us 2.254 divided by 4. So on further simplification, we'll get x equal to 4.435 or x equal to 0.565. Now we have to find it correct to 2 decimal places. So after decimal point, 2 places. So friends, you tell me how to find the answer. So 2 decimal places means, will it be 4.43 or 4.44? Yes, it will be 4.44. Or x is, now because of this 5, what will be the answer? 0.56 or 57? Yes, it will be 0.57. So this is our final answer. Correct to 2 decimal places. This is the final answer. The third question, second part, is also a quadratic equation. Again, we have to find correct to 2 decimal places. But is this equation in the standard form? No, is it not? It's not in the standard form. So to bring it to the standard form is the first step. So let us take the LCM. So this is what we get. So we'll bring the x to the other side. So we'll get 4x square plus 6 plus 13x equal to 0. So bring it, let us rearrange the terms, equal to 0. So can we cancel out any constants? No. All of them we cannot, they are already reduced to the lowest terms. So let us compare this equation. Please write the full steps, friends. Okay, what do we get? The value of A as 4, B as 13 and C as 6. So let's substitute. Minus B upon 2A. So what will happen? Minus B. So minus 13. 13 square. 4 into 6 divided by 2 into 4. That is 8. Right? So this is 169 minus 4 into 4 into 6. So that will give us 96 divided by 8. So what is 169 minus 96? That is nothing but 73. So root of 73 divided by 8. 73, you won't get a perfect square root, is it not? So we have to quickly check the square root table under 73. So 73 square root is 8.544. So let's write that down. Minus 13 plus or minus 8.544 divided by 8. So it is minus 13 minus. So there are two possible values. So here we have to add, we'll get it as minus 21.544 upon 8, or x is nothing but, what is this friends? You'll get a minus 4.456 divided by 8. So when we further simplify this, you'll get minus 2.693, or x is minus 0.557. Okay, but we have to find correct to two decimal places only. So x is what? Minus 2 point. Now here what happens? Because now two decimal places means these two. But let us look at 9. Now because of this 3 is anyway less than 5, so the 9 will be as it is. So we'll get 2.69, or x is minus 0.55, but because of this 7, this will become how much? This 5 will become 6. So the final answer is x is minus 2.69 and minus 0.56. So this is the final answer.